Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I recently received an offer from 4 Patriots to purchase their Sun Kettle for a heavily discounted price of $17. With tax and shipping, the total came out to be just under $30. I understand that 4 Patriots gets really mixed reviews on their food supplies, but I thought I'd go ahead and grab a kettle. They retail for just under $70 on Amazon, but I doubt anyone pays full price. It uses solar power to boil water by trapping sunlight and focusing it on the tempered glass tube in the middle of the solar flask. It claims to be able to heat water up to 212 degrees, or boiling, in about 45 minutes, depending on weather conditions. Let's check it out on a sunny day in California. I started off in the late morning with a temperature of 92 degrees, but with some clouds, and after 2 hours, not much was happening. I wasn't being very scientific, as I didn't have a thermometer to actually see how hot the kettle was getting. By noon, the sun was fully out with a temp of 102. And within a couple hours, I had very hot water. Not a rolling boil, but enough to make some instant coffee too hot to drink. You need to hit the 158 degrees threshold for 5 or more minutes for purification, and I think I was there. Remember, you would still need to filter your water first if from a stream or pond. Even after closing the unit up, I was able to still burn my hand testing the temperature of the leftover water 20 minutes later. It definitely works. Bottom line, I think for the price, this solar kettle has a place in my kit, at least when the sun is out, especially at the discounted price. Keep in mind the flask is glass, but when folded up, the kettle does offer some protection. It holds about 17 ounces and weighs just over a pound. So thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Until next time, take care.